Hello friend, today we will learn why should we eat bananas. What are the benefits? Eating bananas provides relief from all types of swelling in the body. Mashing bananas in a little lemon juice and applying it on the wall. Itching and rashes is very beneficial. Mashing bananas in a little flour and tying it on the injury in the form of a bandage cures the injury. Mix a little cardamom powder in 2 bananas and consume it. This cures acidity in a few days. Banana is very beneficial in various stomach diseases. It increases gastric fire and eliminates stomach swelling. Banana strengthens the body and increases semen. There is no need to eat after eating 4-5 bananas. Eat 2 bananas and drink 250 grams of milk. Then lick 2 teaspoons of honey. Leukorrhea will go away in a few days. Eating 2 bananas with 100 grams of curd every day for a few days stops diarrhea. Mix a little ghee or butter in 4 spoons of banana stem juice. Then licking it with the finger and eating it stops urine flow quickly. For similar Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to Ayurveda.